In today's video, I'll show you how to open two charts in TradingView so you can compare markets, watch multiple assets, or analyze different time frames side by side. Start by opening TradingView and logging into your account. Once your chart is loaded, look toward the upper right corner for the select layout icon. It looks like a small window divided into sections. Click it and you will see several layout styles pop up. Choose the layout that shows two charts, either side by side or stacked. The moment you click it, your screen will split into two separate chart panels. Now, click inside the first chart to activate it. You can change the symbol, adjust the time frame, and add any indicators you want. Then click into the second chart and set it up the same way. For example, you can place Nifty on one side and Bank Nifty on the other, or compare a 1 hour time frame with a daily view. If you want both charts to move together, look at the top for sync options. You can sync the time, crosshair, drawings, or even symbols. Totally optional but helpful for clean side-by-side analysis. And that's it. You now have two fully functional charts in TradingView, perfect for deeper analysis and smarter decision making. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick TradingView guides.